How to open Redmi Note 11 without password. In this video I'm going to show you how you can open Redmi mobile without using any of the password. First of all, open settings. Now slowly scroll down. Scroll down until you find the option called lock screen. Tap on lock screen. Now here you'll be able to see the option like fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Simply tap on it. So this is the section, or this is the portion where it shows what are the unlocking things that you have used. Now here simply tap on privacy protection password and enter the password. So here you can directly turn it off by just untapping or switching this button. So after you do that, you'll not have any problems logging in and you can freely enter the mobile without having any password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.